What's up, everybody? Thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Miguel, aka Torrent. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Govee HDMI 2.0 sync box, AI sync box. This is the second version of it. Today we're going to do a little bit of a different unboxing. We're going to have the Miss actually unbox it and narrate her experience with the actual unboxing. Now, I am in the tech field. So getting a perspective from somebody who isn't in the tech field, unboxing is a little bit of different. So say hello, Miss.
Hi.
All right. So um, whenever you're ready, go for it.
Okay. So, first and foremost, please enjoy my gloves because I refuse to commemorate my bad manicure on the internet. Um, okay. We have a Govee AI Sync Box Kit 2 with backlight and light bars.
Okay.
So, first of all, I mean, the package looks nice. I like the colors. We're going to figure out what this does, and I'm going to tell you to the best of my ability about it. So, first and foremost, this is for your 27 to 34-inch monitor.
Well, so let's start. How much is this?
So the price is about $279.99.
That's pretty expensive.
Um, I mean,
So do you know what this does at this point?
yes. So it makes an immersive gaming experience by synchronizing the lighting with your computer. So
That's
when you're playing a game, it makes it look a little fancier.
right. It just I guess puts the colors of whatever you're seeing on the TV onto the wall, so it gives you a more like you said, immersive experience on that. So awesome.
And it also works with like Dolby, Atmos, things like that. And from what I understand, correct me if I'm wrong, this is the computer version, but you can buy one for your TV.
Correct. I think this is the gaming version. Although I do think that this also supports TV, if I'm not mistaken,
That'd be a small TV.
or a monitor. No, yeah, small TV. This is mostly for computer. You're right.
I don't want a 34-inch TV.
Go ahead.
Okay, shall I get into it without further ado?
Go for it.
Let's begin where it says open. Okay. This is going to be the hilarious part.
Now, if you need to,
Oh, wait, there. Hello,
if,
open.
if you need to, there's a razor next to you.
No, I don't want to do that. Okay,
There you go.
there you go. There's two open tabs.
Nice. Now I do see it says while Katie opens that up, I do see it says 8K. Um, Although that's a nice feature to have, I really doubt that people have 8K TVs or monitors at home at this point. So a little bit of a gimmicky on that, but let's take a look.
Okay.
All right. So what do you see there?
Cards at the top.
All right. So useless paperwork.
Well, this is your Govee Matter Guide.
Got it. Okay.
What is matter? I don't know.
All right.
Then this says Dream View.
Dream View.
Dream View for
Oh,
a Dream View box, I guess.
sounds fancy.
Whatever that is. Then you have your quick start guide.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Does it
Function description.
make sure our viewers can see in the camera?
I think so.
Okay. I'd like to see.
Okay. Your journey begins now.
Oh, what is this
Oh.
blue card?
Let's connect.
Is that an app, I guess?
You can, yes, you can share your creations on social media.
Oh, all right.
Oh, thank God.
Because we want to share lights on social media.
I'm sure no men will need this.
What is that?
User manual.
Oh, that is not for
So
us.
silly.
This is really for you. There you go. It's geared for you.
Is this the box?
I don't know.
We can...
Okay, what are you taking out?
Oh,
All right.
yes. Here it is.
So that is I guess the brains of the operation.
Yeah, this is...
So what does it feel like?
It's pretty lightweight.
Lightweight.
I mean, it's not heavy.
Okay. Does it feel cheap?
No.
No.
I'm shaking it. I don't I don't hear anything clunking. Oh, Oh, this is where you plug in your Whoozamawatsits.
Okay. How many Huzumawatts can you plug into this?
Well, I'm zooming in. This is, I mean, with my own eyes. This is HDMI. There's 4 of those.
All right. Make sure you zoom into the
Wait,
camera.
maybe I
Up
should
at
put it
top.
the right way.
There you go. Just lift it up to the camera. There you go.
Oh,
Our audience
is
likes
that
to see
supposed
that.
to be clear? Because I don't know.
It should autofocus.
Okay, so you have a power input
Okay.
that says 4 HDMI.
Okay.
Wait, there's another one here, but it's on the outside. This is the inside,
Okay.
and this is out.
So you could plug 4 of them to in and 1 of them to out.
Correct.
Okay.
So I'm turning it so I can read it. And these say Type C.
Got it. So it supports Type C. So for a more technical thing, you could actually use this device kind of almost like an HDMI switch for multiple monitors. So you could plug in 4 monitors, I guess, into this and then have 1 output, which makes it a little fancy. Even though that's not the use case on what you're supposed to use it for, it's still interesting to kind of to do that. So, all right. So we got USB-Cs. All right. Let's see the front of it.
This is the top.
That's the top.
The front, I think that's a light bar.
Yeah, it does light up when you plug it in, but I don't think we're going to plug it in at this point. So we're just going to...
Well, I'm not going to plug it in.
You don't want to plug it in?
No, I don't think you want me touching anything you own.
Okay, all right. So let's see what else is in the box. What else you get with this?
Okay, put that to the side.
All right.
This is packaged nicely.
Is it?
Yeah.
Does it feel fancy?
It feels fancy.
Does it feel like it's worth $270 or $80?
I mean, so far I think the quality is worth it. You'll have
Okay.
to try it out and see if you think it is. But it doesn't feel janky.
Well, remember, our users are going to want to, know if they're going to spend their hard-earned money on $300 worth of items here.
I mean, you could buy your wife a gift for $300 instead.
Well, this would be a perfect wife gift for having her immerse in movie nights.
All right, fine. I thought you were saying for her gaming. I don't know. Unless you have one of those real cool girls who game.
Well, I mean,
That's
if
not
you
me.
have a gamer girl in your life, this would be perfect for her. All right, so what are these?
These are the things that go on the side of the computer.
Oh, they look like lights.
Yeah, light
All right.
bars. We got more light bars.
Okay.
And they're just tucked in, and I don't want to.
So how do the qualities of this feel?
This also feels like pretty good quality. Hang on, let me get. Oh, here we go. All right, we're separated.
Okay.
We got these.
Right.
There's 2 of them, and they go to this cord.
What does that look like? That looks like a USB-C. Okay, so it probably plugs into those 2 USB-Cs that we saw on the device, one for each side of the TV. Do you see if they're labeled at all, like right or left?
That's a good question. Please hold.
I wonder if it even matters. It probably doesn't even matter at this point.
Oh, this is tape. There's like, how do I show you this?
Okay, interesting.
Okay. No, I don't see a right or a left.
Okay, so it doesn't really matter, I
We'll
think.
just have to use our own noodles, I guess.
Yeah, well, I think it doesn't really matter if it goes on the right or left because it's just, ambidextrous. Is that correct?
Ambidextrous?
There you go. It doesn't matter.
Ambidextrous?
You can use the right or left.
Is this now when I give you a dork fact?
Sure.
So ambidextrous, ambi meaning both and dextrous meaning right, came from old school Latin where they didn't even refer to left because left was sinister,
Uh-huh.
and they thought that was evil. So if you use both hands, that's why they called you both right, ambidextrous.
Interesting.
That's my dork fact.
That is a very, well, this is a very nice fact while unboxing light sticks.
Hello, this is educational.
There you go. You learn.
You learn a little Latin.
Learn a little Latin.
Learn a little Latin. Well, look, which one should I go with? What are these?
I don't know. I have no idea.
That's so fancy.
So how many are there? 3?
3.
Okay. I'm gonna guess they're probably
Well, it's probably
cables.
whatever this is.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's a picture that's a hieroglyphic to me, but probably makes sense to you. Like that almost looks like a mouse to me, but what do I know?
Well, open it up. So let's see what it. Well, put it under the camera so people can see it. There you go. No, I mean opening it under the camera.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Sorry.
This is the slow unboxing experience.
all right.
Okay, really savoring it. All right, we got some things. We'll get to those.
Okay.
Oh, I'm familiar with these.
What is that?
Alcohol prep pads.
Oh, interesting.
We're
Alcohol
we're,
pads.
we're cleansing something. Okay,
All right.
everything's out of that box. All right, this is a power strip.
Okay, so I guess this powers. It comes with a power brick. I mean, that's not too big, but it's decent.
It's not too hefty.
Okay.
Some of these bricks weigh 10 million pounds.
I know. That's a big turnoff for a lot of people. They get these huge power bricks to power these devices where it's just not, you know, nobody wants a power brick.
Here we have an old school plug.
Okay. So that's probably the other end to the plug. Okay. It goes together.
By George, I think you're correct.
That's why they pay me the big bucks.
Okay, then these are 3M, looks like snaps.
All right.
I don't know if you...
I'm not sure what those are. Oh, they look like probably power wire. Power's like wire organizers. Organizers. There you go.
There's more of them. There's just 2 bags of them. Maybe one's for one side, one's for the other. Who knows?
They probably have to have a lot.
Or maybe it's clips for the RGB.
Oh, you're right.
Genius.
You are right. This probably.
Because they're too flat for a wire.
That's right. They probably come with RGB strips that are in there. That probably holds to the back of the monitor.
See, they may pay you the big bucks, but I have the big brains.
Here
we go. We got baby screws.
For something.
These look like something's going to get lost.
That's a pretty big package for 4 screws.
No, there's more. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, okay.
7. Lucky number. Here you have a screwdriver. It's the star shape.
Fancy.
Whatever the star shape is.
The star-shaped screwdriver.
Yep. And your alcohol prep pads.
Got it.
Because safety first.
Well, it's not to disinfect.
I'm assuming it's to clean off the residual grease from your Cheeto fingers adjusting your monitors.
Yes.
So that your RGB sticks.
Yep, you hear that, gamers? That is to clean out your fingers from
your Cheeto fingers.
There you go. That's not to put the LEDs on your monitor. That's to clean your fingers.
No, it's to clean where your Cheeto fingers touched your monitor.
Oh, I got it.
When you adjusted it with your Cheeto fingers.
That's amazing.
See?
They think of everything.
Thank God. A woman must have made this. Okay, we have a circle.
Okay.
This will be a surprise.
Let's see what this is.
Okay. Oh, I see a lot of foam. Oh.
That looks fancy.
Okay, circles.
How many packages? Oh, what is that?
I don't know. We're about to find out.
Interesting.
Oh, here it is.
Oh.
Please turn over.
Looks like a UFO.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what these are. Do you know what these are?
They go on the light sticks.
Yeah, those are the stands. Those go on the bottom of the light sticks.
These match the bottom of those.
Yeah.
Right here.
You can just throw things on the floor if you don't have enough room. There you go.
See?
So those screws probably go to screw that stuff in.
It's the stand, I assume.
It's a stand, yeah.
Okay, fancy.
All right.
And then... Oh,
there you go.
this is the RGB.
That's the RGB wire.
Yeah, oh. Look, they put it on this nice little organizer.
Nice. So that's supposed to go on the back of the monitors. So you're supposed to kind of stick it to the back of the monitors along with this, put the sticks on the side of the monitor, and then you put that on the back of the monitor, stick it to the back of the monitor.
Okay.
Looks nice and organized.
Yeah. See? Definitely made by a lady.
All right, we're to the last box.
Last box. This one looks like a cable of some nature.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh, look. I'm a genius. Oh, 2 cables.
2 cables.
2 cables. And because we own 1,700 of these, it's an HDMI cable.
There you go. You can never have enough HDMI cables.
And it looks like one's longer than the other.
Okay.
I don't know why, but I'm sure you'll find out. And they are braided.
Oh, braided is nice.
I do like a braided wire.
Braided is really fancy.
Much better quality.
Yeah, it just feels better.
Less chintzy. This says ultra high speed HDMI.
Oh, so these are probably like 2.0 HDMIs, maybe.
Does it tell you? No.
Probably, maybe somewhere in the owner's manual, but
Oh, that thing
but
menu.
I'm pretty sure it's 2.0s if they're high speed.
Okay.
Is that also a braided one?
Also braided.
Nice.
Also doesn't tell you what it is,
Okay.
but also says ultra HDMI.
I'm a real sucker for fancy cables. You know, like the plastic ones that are rigid really kind of stink when you're trying to put it together. So these braided ones, they're a nice touch. They give it a nice feel to it.
One's definitely longer.
Yeah, they're definitely high quality cables because it is rated for 8K, and you're gonna need some high rated bandwidth cables to max out 8K if you did have 8K, which I don't think anybody does at this point. I think the max you are going to get is 4K. So, all right. I think there's nothing else in that box, right?
No.
All right. So, what do you think about this whole thing?
Um,
How was the unboxing experience for it?
so I think that the items feel like good quality.
Okay.
They don't feel too janky.
Uh-huh.
Like this is a nice quality. Everything is a good weight. Nothing is too heavy. I like the braided wires.
Okay.
I think it's nice the things that they thought to include, right down to my beloved alcohol wipes.
Mm-hmm.
You have the little clips here, screws. They even provide you with a screwdriver. I think overall it's really nice.
Awesome.
Nice
Okay.
quality. Obviously, I'd have to see it in action, but
Well, so here's the other question here, right? So, it is November. It is Christmas. And this is about a $300 present. Do you think it's worth $300 to give to that special someone?
I think if you have somebody who really enjoys gaming or who really enjoys like a movie night, I think this would be a really fun thing to have,
Okay.
so that would be a good gift for the gamer in your life or the movie buff to enhance their experience.
So, all right. Well, that's you heard it here, folks. That's it. We've approved of this.
From a non gamer. I mean, I would like this for movie night.
Yeah. So from a non-gamer person, not somebody who's not in the technical field, for unboxing and how she probably would enjoy seeing this. So if you're interested in buying it, it's on Amazon, $279. I don't have any affiliate links down there, but the quality and everything definitely passes the test. We might do a setup a little later in a different video, but this was just strictly unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this type of format. If you did, leave a like and a subscribe and a comment. And if you do like this format back and forth, we would love to hear about it in the comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys have a great weekend and take care.
Happy Saturday.
Bye now.
Bye.